hang out and look at the tanks and talk to the brewers of Ballast Point about what they think about Mark's Design and Metalworks.
Well, first and foremost, we love having an American-made product in our brewery. That's a big bonus and plus for our particular company, is having well-crafted American-made steel in our American craft brewery. And we're very proud of that. We're very proud to work with Mark's as well. Not only do they make stellar tanks, but their customer service is awesome.
Thank you, and we appreciate the support that Ballast Point has given us. We're a small West Coast business, and having a partnership and a relationship with the Ballast Point has helped grow our company. Our goal with Ballast Point was to deliver a quality product. They gave us our first order at CBC in 2012, and they believed in us, and since then we've shipped over 20 tanks to them, and we're doing the new brew house.
20 more on order.
And 20 more on order. That's what I love to hear.
One of the beautiful things about Mark's is they build a tank according to our needs. Ballast Point may have a different need than some other craft brewery, and Mark's is completely open to designing a tank for us, for Ballast Point. And I can say that you don't really get that with other Metalworks and other tank fabricators. Their openness and willingness to experiment with odd things like a graduated racking arms and oversized dry hopping ports and things of that nature, multiple thermal wells. We have a lot of requests. Mark's has been kind enough to fulfill every single one of those requests and work with us along this process from going from 200 barrel tanks to 750 barrel tanks and beyond. So we're very excited to see what they have in store for us for the future.
I've looked around at a lot of tank manufacturers, not only in the US but overseas, and we purchased tanks from the Czech Republic, from China, from Germany, and here in America. And finding a manufacturer that uses the steel here in America and also is fabricated here, it makes you proud, of the fact that you're not going outside the States, but also you've got, economical reasons to make this decision too. Shipping on a large tank like this, to bring it over on a flat rack, on a container ship, not only the time, but the money and the what if something happens on the shipment? So you've got, the local aspect of that is a huge benefit.
I think that as for Ballast Point, it's very important for us to have an American-made product, and it's something we're very proud of, but we're also seeing our consumers becoming more proud of the support your local movement, the support your American-made product movement, and stop outsourcing so many of your goods to save a buck. Essentially we're recycling our resources in our economy, and I think it's our duty as Americans to do that and support other great American companies. And in return, we get great tanks, we get to make great beer. It's the circle of life, so to speak.
So I was talking with my son the other day, and he was asking me about my job, and I said, I don't really have a job. I'm a brewer, and what I'm trying to do is build a legacy for you and our family. And you look out on this, and you guys are doing the same. You're helping me, build something that's going to last not only my life, but down generations. And if you look at the breweries in Germany that have been around for 300, 400, 500 years, hopefully, this is the beginning of that kind of legacy for us.
The first time I knew that I was going to work with them was when I got Melinda's voicemail that said, "Have a brewtastic day." So once I knew that and their mindset about everything doing, and then we kind of followed up and finally got in touch with each other, and then her and Ryan actually came down to visit and check out the place, what is a clean slate. And with them not knowing us and to come and see, and I mean, this could have been a hole in the wall, something, or gonna hardly do anything. We didn't have a budget to work with. It's just a pipe dream, and they believed in us and came down here and worked with us on every aspect of the equipment, catering, and just everything over the past year. So a lot of credit goes to them as far as customer service and working with us and believing in the product that we're doing. And after being almost a year in business, it's awesome to have you guys here and showing that we're doing it.
I'm Kurt Plants, brewmaster, Good Life Brewing Company. why also we buy from Marks as well is they're local, and everybody within our company, they support us. They're local, they support us where we're at, and we want to support other companies that help us, happen with us. So Marks is one of the most local companies we have. They make amazing equipment, and that's why we use them. We don't seek out outside of this, outside of Oregon, outside of Washington, just because we want to support as local as we can. That's why we use the equipment we have, and we can't ask for a better thing than we have a company like Marks, as local as they are, that produces the most highest quality equipment in all the world. You can't ask more than that.
Well, what I love most about working here at Marks Design and Metalworks is that we are a U.S. manufacturer. That speaks close to my heart because manufacturing is the backbone of the United States. So I'm very happy to be with a company that is providing jobs that are important to our economy and to our infrastructure of this country. It's very dear to my heart that we use stainless steel. Stainless steel is a superior product. So we're helping build products for people that'll last a lifetime. What sets Marks apart from its competition is we're a very forward-thinking company. Part of the reasons why Ryan started this company, we're very innovative in our design and how we go to market with our products. We believe in putting the highest quality of product on the marketplace, as well as having it look beautiful for our clients. They're designed, our equipment is designed for heavy commercial use that can last over lifetimes. Our goal is to give our customers a product that looks amazing and functions accordingly to its process. And we want it to work the same day 30 years from now as it does the day it arrives to them.
I love being able to come in and work with stainless steel and put out a really nice looking product and enjoy doing it at the same time. These are the best tanks we've ever built. The closest thing we've come is about half the size, so these are massive. Jobs in America. Making tanks in America, businesses in America. I like them a lot more than the idea of buying them overseas and not putting Americans to work on them.
Well, the main reason I wanted to start Marks Design and Metalworks was that it's a great product made in the United States. We've grown from about 3 employees 2 years ago to I think we have 65 employees right now. We support the local community. We're shipping tanks all the way across the country, so those 65 jobs here in the local economy does great things for growth. The main thing that separates us from the competition, I believe, is our customer service and our willingness to work with the customer in customization of their tanks and their systems. We really pride ourselves in bringing the customer in, rolling out the red carpet, and allowing them to design their system in conjunction with our design. We really pride ourselves in really working with the customers directly, very close all the way through the project up until they start brewing and well into the future.